In the year 1703, a visionary ruler named Peter the Great envisioned a grand city on the eastern frontier of his kingdom, Russia. A city that would rival the great capitals of Europe, a testament to Russia's growing power and influence. Born in Moscow, Peter was a man of ambition and determination, unafraid to challenge the status quo. He saw the potential in the swampy, marshy lands along the Neva River, a location strategically important for its access to the Baltic Sea. With a determined spirit, Peter embarked on a daring project. He ordered the draining of the marshlands, the construction of canals, and the building of a city from scratch. This was a task of monumental proportions, a feat that few thought could be accomplished. The project faced numerous challenges. The harsh Russian winters made work nearly impossible, and the swampy terrain was a constant obstacle. But Peter was undeterred. He employed thousands of forced laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and even criminals, to carry out his vision. As the city began to take shape, it was given a name that reflected Peter's admiration for Western culture, St. Petersburg. The city was designed with wide, straight streets, grand palaces, and a network of canals. It was a city that was both modern and European in design, a stark contrast to the traditional Russian cities of the time. The construction of St. Petersburg was more than just a building project. It was a symbol of Peter's reforms, his desire to modernize Russia and bring it into the fold of European powers. The city represented a new era, a new Russia, and a new way of life. In the years that followed, St. Petersburg grew and flourished. It became a cultural and intellectual hub, attracting artists, scientists, and philosophers from all over Europe. It was a city that Peter the Great could be proud of, a testament to his vision and determination. And so, St. Petersburg stands today, a city that has weathered the test of time. A city that is a testament to one man's vision, to his ambition and determination. It is a city that continues to inspire and awe, a city that is a living testament to the greatness of Peter the Great.